My name is Anthony, and this is part 4 of our convenience store from Toyo Shukin Shop in Central C near Apex. That's what I forgot to say the last time. So basically, we got Caplico ice cream desserts. Not really ice cream, but they're trying to be ice cream desserts. We got vanilla flavor. That tastes like vanilla with cream, so it tastes really, really good. You can see the cream. It's not hard, but it's not soft. So I would give it a 8 out of 10. So I guess see you in my next video in part 5. Bye.